Sebring is one of the toughest tracks in the world. It's so bumpy, it's so hard. It's hard for the tires, it's hard for the car, for the drivers. So doing both championships is kind of worrying me. It's cool though, it's a real challenge.
It's a great event, especially with all these spectators on track. It's always a great atmosphere. We have good memory from last year, so the idea is just to keep going and try to bring back another victory at Sebring.
Sebring 2019 is Michelin's largest motorsport activation ever. This 27,000 square foot workshop area is home to 16,000 tyres, a team of 42 support staffers and 55 Michelin race tyre engineers.
It's one of the biggest events in a long time here in Sebring because there's many fans coming for both championships. We can even expect a bit of rain and chaos going on as well during the race, so I think it's going to be one big show really, and I'm just happy to be part of both races. It's cool.
The Action Express boys, they killed it today on the pit stops, their strategy, Team Keen on the radio, engineering the car. They gave us an amazing car to drive on every condition. We kept throwing those Michelin tires, and I tell you what, they were quick and they were gripping well all the way, so super happy. I mean, I can't hide on my face, and today was the perfect day.